Welcome back to Echoes of Truth. This week, we explore one of the deepest mysteries of the Christian faith, the Trinity. God has revealed himself as one God in three persons: Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. This isn't just a theological idea, it shapes who we are as people, because we were created in his image. One God, three persons. Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord is our God. The Lord is one. Christianity is not a belief in three gods. There is one God. Yet within the one divine being, there are three distinct persons: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. They are equal in essence, united in purpose, and eternal in existence. Matthew 28:19. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Jesus himself affirmed this reality. One name, three persons. We see hints of the Trinity in Genesis, specifically in Genesis chapter 1, verse 26. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness." God speaks in the plural, "let us" and "our image." The Spirit is already present in Genesis chapter 1 verse 2, as we see he is hovering over the waters. The New Testament reveals that the Son was active too. John chapter 1 verse 3, all things come into being through him, and apart from him nothing came into being that has come into being. Creation was the work of the Father, Son, and Spirit, the one God acting in perfect unity, which leads to the relationship between the Father, Son, and Spirit. The Father loves the Son, as seen in John chapter 17 verse 24. Father, I desire that they also, whom you have given me, be with me where I am, so that they may see my glory which you have given me. For you loved me before the foundation of the world. The Son obeys the Father and glorifies him. John 14:31. But so that the world may know that I love the Father, I do exactly as the Father commanded me. Get up, let us go from here. The Spirit proceeds from the Father and the Son, bringing life and truth. John 15, verse 26. When the Helper comes, whom I will send to you from the Father, that is the Spirit of truth, who proceeds from the Father, he will testify about me. The Trinity is a relationship of eternal love. Mankind's role in the image of God, as seen in Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created them. Being made in God's image is not about physical likeness, but about reflecting his nature. Just as God exists in perfect relationship within himself, mankind was created for relationship with God and with one another. Male and female together reflect God's design of unity and diversity. Our purpose flows from God's purpose, to glorify him and enjoy him forever. We see the Trinity in salvation. As the Father planned salvation, the Son accomplished salvation by his death and resurrection. The Spirit applies salvation by indwelling and transforming believers. Ephesians 1, verses 3 through 14, a summary, shows all three persons working together in redemption. The Father chose us, the Son redeemed us, the Spirit seals us. This unity shows the beauty of the gospel and the glory of God. The Trinity is not just a doctrine to memorize. It is the reality of who God is: one God in three persons, Father, Son, and Spirit. This truth shapes our lives. It reminds us that love and relationship are at the core of existence. It calls us to worship God for who He truly is. And it gives us hope because the same God who created us in His image is the God who redeems us and lives with us by His Spirit. As you reflect this week, remember, you were created in the image of the Triune God. That means you were made for relationship with Him and with others, to display His love, His unity, and His glory.